Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce you to our stunning drink coaster set, a perfect blend of functionality and style for any room in your home. This set includes 6 beautifully crafted, large 4-inch absorbent coasters that not only protect your furniture but also add a touch of elegance with their round, classy design. Made from real cedar wood and epoxy resin, these coasters offer a modern aesthetic while providing the natural aroma of cedar, reminiscent of a serene forest. Imagine the delight of your family and friends when they receive this unique gift set, perfect for any occasion. Each coaster is designed to enhance your tabletop decor, making it an ideal choice for coffee tables and more. With their durable and absorbent nature, these coasters ensure your surfaces remain pristine and stylish. Elevate your home decor and surprise your loved ones with this exquisite coaster set, a must-have for anyone who appreciates beauty and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.